So welcome to our second video of HTML. Today we learn how to change the font size and font color in HTML. So first I write the paragraph and copy this matter from here. Copy, Ctrl V for save. Now I want to change the color of this paragraph. So in this paragraph tag I use the style. Style is equal to color. I want to aqua color. There are many colors what you want. Can dark blue, dark can, dark golden rod, dark grey, dark green, dark khaki, dark magenta. Yes, I want the dark orange color. Here you see the color of our font is changed from dark orange. Now how to change the size of the paragraph? I double use paragraph, Ctrl V to paste the matter. Now I want to change the size of this paragraph, so I repeat use style. Sorry, I use the wrong p, small p. Yes, I use style is equal to font size, font dash size is equal to 20 pixel. So this 20 pixel. You see the size of this paragraph increase because we use the 20 pixel. Now I use 30 pixel. Size becomes large. 15 pixel becomes many large. So I use 35 pixel. You understand how to change the font size and font color. Now let me show you how to add images in our web page. For add images we need the image tag. Image is equal to src. First you need the image, so I have sample image in my download. I copy this image, copy in our code editor in our project. I paste in our folder. Here is our folder, paste it h.jpg. Now I need one video. I also show you how to add videos. This is sample video, teddy bear. Paste it in your folder. Move. I rename it to .mp4. So how to add images in HTML file? So from first create image tag src with source is equal to h.jpg and width is equal to 110 and height 150 and close this tag. You see image is added in our web page. I want to becomes large size, so 400 and this 400. You see our images here. Now I add the video. For video you need to video tag. Video, give the width is equal to 300 and height is equal to 300. Then type controls and close the bracket. In you see our video add, but we not add video also. So add video source. In video tag type source src 2.mp4. Our video name is 2.mp4. You see, so 2.mp4 and select the type. What is the type? Type is equal to video slash mp4 and then close the bracket. Here you see our video is here. So I hope you understand how to add video in our HTML file. Now how to add a YouTube video in our HTML file. So go to YouTube. Choose which video you want to add in your HTML file. So I want to add this video in our HTML file. So click on share.
It's Kohl's Friends and Family Sale. Take an extra 20% off. Good place for the family.
Click the share and click on embed and copy this and paste this code in your HTML file. You see, our YouTube video is added in HTML file. I change the width 400. Yes, it's right. You see our YouTube video added successfully. I want to HR. HR always used to write the line between meta. Here you see 3 lines added because we use 3 HR tag. HR tag always create the line. See, this is the line. Now I hope you understand how to add YouTube videos in our HTML. So if you like this